What's up, YouTube? Irish USMC Vet here. Hey guys, gals, another chicken video. Hello ladies, how are we? Enjoying some clover that I picked for them. So, to make use of all the space in the garden, or their chicken run, I have utilized this tree. So the grapevines are obviously growing up to the top of the cover, and in here I've planted some more beneficial flowers, and I also put sweet pea, like sugar snap peas, so that whenever they come out, they start vining out. I will trail them up or across to the pallet wall to the side of the garden, and then whenever the peas develop, they can also eat on the peas. So I read a couple different articles that said, oh, you can't give them sweet pea. Well, sweet pea is a flower as well, but if you give them sugar snap peas, which are, some people call them sweet peas, then they can eat those because obviously they're good for them. So just another option for your chickie mamas, you know, because the ladies got to eat, and whatever you put into them goes into you if you eat them or you eat their eggs. So thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish USMC Vet. Godspeed, simplify. Have a great day.